There were garage bands, most famous of which, of course, is Led Zeppelin. Now, don't ever, anybody with no talent, try to do a Robert Plant song. And if you have any doubts about that, you're about to totally agree.
Please don't sing like Robert Plant.
Trust me, I can't sing like anybody. There's a pre-med who's sure the counterclockwise are, and his grades will make him perfect for Welding school. When he gets there, he'll say, what was that rule of the day? Maybe I should have made a better roadman. Ooh, never wanted to study. Ooh, his chemistry's cruddy, and his grades will make him perfect for Welding school. And as we waste our time away in organic lab all day, how come my products look like clay? I should have been nicer to the TA. And our grades will